Welcome children to your maths class. Children, we are doing the topic of division and we have already done number of word problems. Now here I have presented this video so that you are able to understand better how to find out whether it is a division word problem and then how we will be solving it out. So let us see. If you want to solve math problems, especially the division problems or for example any other word problems, you need to follow some basic rules, some basic things. Now first of all children, you have to keep this very important point in mind. Read problem closely. That means अच्छे से आपको प्रॉब्लम को रीड करना है. So be sure to read the entire maths problem carefully and look for keywords. Okay? तो जल्दीबाजी में नहीं, you have to read the entire word problem very very carefully. एक बार नहीं, दो बार पढ़िए and look for the keywords. This is the first rule. Now second one is you have to underline, जैसे अभी हम underline कर रहे हैं, underline the numbers. Like जो भी numbers दिए हैं, dividend क्या है, divisor क्या है. So what all numbers are there as they are appearing in the word problem, underline that. So that you know कि okay, this is the divisor, this is the dividend, number of students, number of baskets, what all information, important information is there, उसको आपको underline करना चाहिए. So you have to underline the numbers. Next, third important thing is circle the keywords. Now there are some keywords which are there in the problem. So circle those keywords which will help you to solve the problem. So there are some keywords given in the problem. जब आप problem को ढंग से पढ़ेंगे, समझ के पढ़ेंगे, you will find those keywords. Now some important keywords I am sharing here with you. In division word problems, some keywords which are important are each, goes into, split equally, quotient, divided by. Okay, so you have these keywords. You can find these keywords. Here I have discussed some. There can be others like divisor is this, remainder is this, okay, equally grouped into. So all these words are used in the division word problems and they are your keywords. So you have to underline them when you are reading your word problem. Now division word problems, if you talk about them, then basically जो division की word problems हैं, they are of two types. या तो equal sharing की होती है और it is of grouping. Now let us see what is equal sharing and grouping. Now if we talk about equal sharing, so in this what kind of word problem we get? In this, situations in which we need to find out how much each portion contains. When a given quantity is shared into a number of equal portions. For example, I have 12 bananas, okay, with me, and now I want to distribute them equally among 4 children. So how many bananas each child gets? So such a kind of problem is that of equal sharing, where एक आपको total quantity दी गई है, a given quantity is given to you and information is given that it has to be divided equally among, उसकी भी they are giving you a number. So you have to find out how much each will get. Like in this example, the 12 bananas have to be divided among 4 children. So this kind of question or this kind of word problem is of equal sharing. The second one is of grouping. As I said, two types के होते हैं, equal sharing and grouping. Now grouping में कैसी होती है? Situations in which we need to find the number of portions of a given size which can be obtained from a given quantity. Like for example, I have 40 sweets. Now I want to pack them in small packets having 4 sweets each. So now how many packets will be obtained? So here the reverse is being done. Total quantity is given and they are saying that in each of the small packets of this total quantity the number of things which have to be present that is given. Like here total is 40 and in each small packet they want 4. So now again they want you to find out how many small packets are to be made. So again here as you can see they are asking you to divide and find out the small packets which need to be obtained. Such a kind of problem is that of grouping. So children, these basically division problems are of these two kinds and you can easily identify them and accordingly solve them keeping into mind the keywords. Now here are some questions, unit questions for you where you are supposed to now practice them. The first question is, I have 20 pencils. I want to distribute them among 4 children. So how many pencils each will I get? You will solve this. Not I get, how many pencils which each child get. Then second one is, I have 56 erasers. I want to pack them in small packets having 7 erasers each. How many packets will be obtained? So as you can see, one problem is of equal distribution and the other is of grouping. So now you have to solve them. Thank you class, and I hope you have understood what kinds of problems are there in division and the keywords. So now you would be able to solve the division problems properly. Thank you class.